What's going on? It's Scott here, and when I go to Camtasia to import the video files for my new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, I get this error. So just click on one of these videos to try to open it. So I get this error where it shows the file path and it says it is either an unsupported media type or required codecs are not found. So just say okay. So we're gonna try to convert the videos with VLC player. So go to Google, type in VLC media player, and they should have a download. So I'm just gonna click VLC media player. I'll put a link in the description below for the VLC player and download VLC. Alright, so we have a fresh install of VLC player, so we're going to convert the video file. So go to media, scroll down to convert save, and then we're going to add a file. So we're just going to add this file, test it out, and then go down to convert save. And then the profile here will be blank when you first install it. So I scroll down to the profile where it says video for YouTube HD, because like I'm definitely going to be making a YouTube video out of this. And then destination file will browse to this folder. We'll make a new folder and put converted, and then put it in here and hit save and hit start. And you can see in the lower left that that's the progress of the conversion. It's going to take about a minute, and I'll come back to you once it's done converting, and we'll test it out and see if Camtasia can open up the video file. Alright, so the video in theory is done converting. We're going to open up Camtasia. So import media, go into the converted folder, hit open. And as you can see, it's imported into Camtasia. And we can edit it, do whatever we want.